All right, so here we are in the garden. Got our irrigation system all set up. Really happy with this system. I was a little intimidated in the past about setting up irrigation. We would typically just be comfortable coming out here with the garden hose and water and everything. But we came across this one, and do want to mention that the company sent this out to us. Give you our opinion, show you how it works, how we set it up. And as you can see, it's set up really nice. Our garden's looking great. There's three different nozzle heads that we used, depending on the vegetables and how we wanted to water those. And to give you a closer look at some of the connectors that we used here, you can see right here, this is a connector that goes into the 1/2-inch line. This is a 4-way connector, so that splits off. And you can see we have our drip irrigations going to our tomatoes here. Nice slow watering process for those guys. Don't want to get any water on the leaves. And then if you want to come up here, you're also going to get these 2-headed connectors, which we have here, and then come along up here. These are our favorite nozzles here. The way they spread, it really puts the water out where we need it. A nice wide spread on those. So those are great. So very functional irrigation system, and highly recommend something like this if you're looking to irrigate. You set this up on a timer, so you don't have to worry about it. Set it and forget it. And I think you're going to be really pleased and happy with what this can do for your garden.